What's up, guys? Today we'll talk about company PantheraTrade, and first of all, let me show you, in case if you do not know, they are providing AutoTrade Gold uh, robot. So let me show you how this works. Here you can see it's Lego Market real server, so it's not demo, it's a real account. And let me show you statement. So here are all deals, all orders. These orders, it's affiliate commission. It's like every broker got rebate program from their commissions. So if you attract somebody, you can receive rebate like this. So as you can see, they are getting it very so a lot of rebates, a lot of profitable orders, and here you can see total profit, total deposit. So let's generate a detailed report statement, and let me show you something interesting. So check this out. So no drawdown at all, maximum 2%, almost free, and relative drawdown is 485, so less than 5%, and profit factor is really high. So this is so stats are really amazing, and I recommend you to start trading like this. So you can copy this trading account on autopilot, but it's not possible to copy from this broker to another. So these trader teams, they created offshore broker and use it together with API, in order to so nobody can, so it's not impossible to copy from this broker to another, but it's possible to auto copy using same broker. So in order to do so, use my link, what I will put in video description. I will put link to this post together with link to register in their company. So first of all, when we register, okay, so here is link to registration. When you will see it, use my IB reference. I will provide you future support for you for your account. So include here your username, first name, last name, and after registration, please provide your complete your profile, enter your bank account. In crypto, use a stablecoin in order to cash out money. As well, use it in order to top up your account. So here is detailed tutorial. You can skip this video and just read carefully and follow step by step in order to start copying this trading account. And so when you register, complete your profile verification. Complete verification, you need to provide copy of your ID and selfie with your ID. Make sure all details possible to read. And so when registration complete, profile verified, you need to open trading account. So select gold account, leverage, and select real account. So select your password, and the next step, you need to buy this license for autocopy. So license work really simple. So for example, if you would like to top up 1000 bucks, then you need to select this level 2. So here you can see that minimum balance and maximum balance. So you will spend, so if your balance is 1000, you should buy this license for 200 bucks. And when your account will reach 5000, then you need to go to level 3 license. But you do not need to spend money, you just pay difference between 500 200, so you will pay 300 and you will get the next level license and will start auto copy again. So this is how it works, like, guys. So yes, so when you start buying license, you'll hear steps on how to do this, so make sure to complete it. And the most important, when you are I'm doing all transactions by using Binance, so it's really easy. So register in Binance, click on, for example, credit debit card top up, select crypto. I use, so it's recommended to use stablecoin, so select stablecoin. And the most important step you should use for transfer Ethereum, so make sure to select it. So here it is, and that's it. So here put receipt address. So for top up, use stablecoin again. As you can see here, you can see these warnings that you must use ERC20 network, and keep in mind that every transaction costs you 20 bucks. So no matter if you top up 100 or 1k, you'll pay 20 in commission. So I think that's it. So make sure to check links that I'll put in video descriptions, and for any questions you can drop me a message as well. You can add me on Facebook. Okay guys, have a good day, and for any questions drop me a message.